A new day begins. The sun filters through the curtains. The city slowly comes to life. People leave their homes. The streets fill with people. When a child runs to school, a doctor arrives at the hospital, a worker steps into the factory. That's how life is rebuilt, together. And we are right there, unheard, unseen in every aspect of life. Inside your home and office, in a hospital room, in a store window, in a car or on a production line, we are quietly present in every detail that makes up everyday life. As Karva Plastics and Thermoform, we shape the essential parts of life. We produce high-quality plastic intermediate solutions tailored to the needs of different industries. From white goods to automotive, from furniture to healthcare, from aerospace and defense to the advertising industry, we touch your life by manufacturing in many areas. In this area defined by artificial intelligence-powered systems, advanced production technologies and speed, we offer solutions that simplify your work and add value to your products. We work for a more livable world in every detail, defining production as contributing to life. Since 2014, we have been operating in our modern 17,500 square meter production facility located in the Kayseri Organized Industrial Zone. With our expert staff, we develop integrated solutions tailored to specific projects within our R&D, product development and design teams. We produce plastic extrusion sheets and thermoformed parts using advanced technology systems and automation-supported lines, focusing on efficiency, sustainability, and high-quality production. We offer reliable solutions for various needs, from precision applications to large-scale production. Products undergo our three-stage quality control system and are rigorously tested using equipment compliant with international standards. Additionally, we support all our production processes with ISO, TSE, flame resistance, UV stabilization, antibacterial, and surface quality certifications. We prioritize quality not only in our products, but also at every stage of our business processes. Thanks to our high-tech infrastructure, we digitally track every step from production to shipping and manage processes based on data. With our own CRM software, we securely back up customer data both online and offline and archive this data for 5 years in accordance with regulations. This approach allows us to offer a sustainable quality philosophy that anticipates not only today, but also the future. At the same time, we export to nearly 100 countries, successfully representing our country in the global market and working diligently to achieve our goal. We manufacture ABS, ABS acrylic, ASA, polystyrene, high gloss, acrylic, polycarbonate, high-density polyethylene, and polyethylene sheets using coax technology, serving a wide range of industries. Our specially designed clean rooms, which produce dust-free results, enable production to meet high-quality standards. Our production ranges from 0.40 mm to 10 mm thickness up to 2,150 mm width and any desired length. It can be customized with various colors and patterns. Our annual production of 15,000 tons, achieved with our modern extrusion sheet lines, fully meets sectoral needs in terms of functionality, durability, and aesthetics. Using a fully automatic PLC-controlled thermoforming line, we manage every step in accordance with standards, enabling us to produce 300,000 thermoformed parts annually. Our infrastructure, supported by precision trimming robots, ensures standard production for parts requiring millimeter-level accuracy. With our CNC-supported aluminum, MDF, and polyester mold production machines, we produce unique molds required for special projects quickly and reliably. For parts requiring functionality and sector-specific design, we offer solutions tailored to the technical needs of different fields using our machines equipped with inflation technology. We reliably manufacture and deliver these parts required in industrial production areas. By adopting an environmentally conscious production approach that uses resources wisely, with 3,155 solar panels on our factory roof, generating a total of 1.4 megawatts of power, we produce our own energy, meeting 34% of our total consumption from renewable sources. We convert surplus production parts back into raw materials in our recycling facility, making the circular economy an integral part of our business. This reduces carbon emissions and creates a cleaner, more sustainable production environment. Today, with our advanced technology infrastructure, internationally certified quality standards, and team of expert engineers, we are a reliable solution partner for our business partners in dozens of countries. We bring function to every part, value to every surface, and reliability to every detail. We are the workforce behind every detail that shapes life, and every product we make is a powerful contribution to human life.